I miss you, you know. And I've been keeping all the letters that I wrote to you, each one line or two. I'm fine, baby, how are you? And I would send them all, I know that it's just nothing, no. My words were cold and bland, and you deserve more than that. Hey guys, what's up, people of the world? This is Migs D, and you're watching the Migs the World channel. Hoping everybody's enjoying the lovely day. And once again, nga pala guys, dumating na yung pangalawang package natin. Alright, okay, yung bago nating cowboy hat. Alright, okay, so pakita ko sa inyo. Alright, so yan. Kulay red siya guys.